Still inside Patbatam kitchen, and this is the third phase of the Bammy, or the Bammy making, okay?
Big up Patbatam kitchen.
Patbatam. Yes guys, this is how we peel the cassava. Yeah. This is one of the ways how you peel the cassava. I think this way is the much easier way how you do this. Yeah. Ready? Okay. One of the way how you do it. I'll peel another piece just for the viewers to have a full grip of what's happening. Have a full grip of what's happening with the cassava. Okay. And this is how it is. Okay. Marking down like that. Pick him out like this. Dry him out. There you go. This is much easier to deal with. There you go. This is a good old way. This is how you peel the cassava. Okay, here you go. Bringing you back to the good old days, cassava peeling. Back in the days of the country, grandmother making Bammy, grandmother making flour, cassava flour, you know. Grandmother wants some starch and all them something. Put them in clothing and all them things, whatever it is. This is the starch that we used to use from the cassava. Well, today we get about 15 pounds of cassava. Yeah. Shout out Andrea Farm. Yeah, Andrea Farm up in Ferio. Big up the Andrea Farm up in Ferio. Big her up because she had a good thing up there to feed herself and her community. You know, she's a very profound lady of what she's doing. She knows what's going on. Yeah? Come on to farming. Big up Andrea. Big up yourself, Andrea. You're going to get cassava them up. Kitchen, we're going to take you by Andrea place one day and we see what the farm is all about and what the accommodation, bread and breakfast, weekend for two, all these things. You know, that's what she do up there. She do accommodations, yeah, weekend for the family, Zion area, reporting to me. Yeah, man, Dragon Bay, yeah, good old Dragon Bay in that same vicinity. Yeah, they are on the Zion side property. No, nothing. It's close, very close to Dragon Bay area. 5 minutes away to the beach. Yes. Less than 5 minutes to the beach. That's where they create all the goodness on the weekend. Yeah. Get away from the hustle and bustle of the city. Have a weekend for two. Nice to the staycation area. Yes. Nobody to bother you. Right. Do your own cooking, do your own thing. Ocean Villa is the place. I'll check it out soon. Okay. Ocean Villa, that's black and white too. Yes. You come across me. We are in the process of grating our cassava. Okay. And the good old story, we grated the cassava. Yeah? You have to grate the cassava. And when we grate the cassava, we're going to have something looking like this. Yeah? This is the cassava itself. You know, and it contains a lot of juice, so you've got to squeeze it after. See that? You're going to squeeze it. put it to air dry like this. Put it to air dry. Yeah? See, look, we're going to put this to air dry. Okay, in the sun for a good half an hour. Turn it over, turn it. Yeah, keep rotating it. Yes, that's what they do. That's what I see my grandparents do. Yeah, they rotate it. Yeah, and get it, you know, a little bit dry. Not really fully dry, but you know, get some of this substance out of it and get it. Camera. Yeah, that texture looks good. Okay, so put it inside the pillowcase or anything you have, you can squeeze it. You want to squeeze that water. How much water you're going to take out? Yeah. And we're going to bake. We're going to go right to the procedure today. And we're going to bake. We're going to bake something for you today. Okay? So as we say, cassava, bammy, good old bread, good old Jamaican bread. I think this was before sliced bread though. Cassava. I'm just saying. I think it was. Yeah. Talking about that, you know, guys. You know, the person that teach me all these things, you know, grandma passed away a week ago. Yeah, passed away a week ago, you know. And we're in the process of funeral arrangement and all that. She was real substance to me, to my soul, and my, you know, we all know we gotta pass one day. And bring the sad news that Patbatam grandmother, you know, she passed. She do her thing, 97 years old. Violent thing, okay? Patbatam. Taking it to the world. We don't know. We don't know what's happening. Okay? We're in the final phase of the gratering of the cassava. Yes? The final stage. This is the whole one big bowl we have here. 15 pounds of cassava. So we're in the final stage of gratering this cassava here. Yeah? Final touch of the cassava part. So what we're going to do, we're going to take it from transfer it from this container to the big one. Yeah, we're gonna transfer it over and get it squeezed up and get it all of that sorted. Yeah, put it together. Mix the salt inside. Mix the salt. When you mix the salt helps get out a lot of the juice. So we're in the last phase of gratering our cassava. Yeah. You know, back in the days when grandma said, "Come grate the coconut." You wonder, worry about your finger, them and all them thing. I don't get no finger hurt, no finger rub off today. Yeah, everything intact. Yeah, you have a good grater, you concentrate on what you're doing. A lot of time when you don't concentrate on what's happening, you tend to get messed up. Yeah, you tend to get messed up and get your finger rub off. So, transfer this here, put inside this container. Is that water running down? Get in the back. So you're going to squeeze it. In this process now, what I put in the bigger container is to add the salt to it. Yeah? So we're going to add a great amount of salt and mix them up. We're going to put these inside. Yeah, like that. 4 or 5 tablespoons. Not teaspoon. And then we put it together like this. So rub it together. Okay? Don't worry about the salt that's going inside. We're going to take it out. It's going to come out when you start wringing it. So we're going to wring it. Yeah? Put it in a different container, put it out in the sun. Yeah, make it rest for 5 minutes. Yeah. Yes. Yeah, man. Pillowcase, or you have a bag, a mesh bag like this. You can buy your mesh and you can make these bags for your juice, for squeeze your juice, strain your juice, all the type of juice you gotta squeeze. Yes. Yeah. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna put it in the bag. You're gonna squeeze it. Squeeze the bag. Okay? We're not using no pillowcase. Let's say how it works like this. We just use pillowcase, but now we can get things advanced. We step up to the plate, put it inside, make it a space that you can ring it. Okay? So make a space where you can ring it. See that? Look at that. See much water coming out now? So all the salt that we put in just now will just come out just in this form. See now for it's about the Bammy salt. Yeah? It's coming out right now. Look at that. I'm going to show you what happened now. Can I do this? Okay? I'm going to show you what's going on now. So there's something looking like this. Look at that. Flaky and nice. Okay? There's something looking like that. So it's flaky? Yes. Look at that. Falling apart. Beautiful. But this instant now, this is fresh. It's just right. Okay? So what you're going to do now, you're going to get another container. Okay, we're in final process of the squeezing. Yes, this is the final process of the squeezing of the cassava. Final process. This is the amount, the whole lot of water we get out of it. Yeah. Whole lot of water come out like this. Look at that. See that? That's the cassava itself coming out there now. And that's the texture we get from that. And then we're going to air dry it a little bit and put it back together. You know, a lot of times people do cassava Bammy. You can turn, you can twist and turn your hands, you know. You can do different flavors, as I said. Yeah? Yeah? You can make a cinnamon flavor. You can make cinnamon flavor cassava Bammy. You can make coconut. That's what I know. I know how to do that. I do that sometimes. I put coconut and mix coconut flakes with sugar and I mix it in. You know, combine it together. You get a nice flavor from that. And whenever you fry your Bammy, it becomes golden brown because of the sugar. So that's a good thing if you want it sweet. Okay. And other people have different flavors that you wish to put. Yeah? You can create your own flavors and mix with your flour, with your cassava. The cassava can go different angles. So this is the amount of starch we get from it. Look at that. All of the starch we get from this. Yeah? Cassava here. Look at that. You know what you're going to do with this now? We're going to put it out in the sun and let it air dry. Okay? We're going to get this one air dry for about a good half an hour in the sun. Don't worry about it now, we have our Bammy ring in it. See the Bammy ring here? So you call it Bammy ring. Okay? See that? As we say, Patbatam kitchen. Only for Bammy we have. This is the Bammy powder. Yeah, this is the Bammy. Yeah? So you put it in the sunlight, okay? And then we start our process of making some Bammy. Some salt or sugar, whatever portion you want to do. And we make some Bammy, okay? So I'll get back to you, Patbatam kitchen. Taking it to the people again. Making Bammy, guys. Bammy. Still inside Patbatam kitchen. And this is the third phase of the Bammy. The Bammy making, okay? Here we go. Now we spread it out. This is in the sun, sunlight. We put it on. Back in the days we used to have zinc and all that. If if you have something you can spread it out on, plastic, whatever, and we have a big piece of metal here on the surface in the sun. Okay? So while it's going in the sun, it gets air dry a little bit. Yes? Get a little bit air dry, and then you rotate it. Okay? This is what you do when you rotate the flour. Yes? You rotate it every 10-15 minutes. That is, get a little sunlight. Okay? Okay? So that's how it is. So this is the Bammy procedure. And we may get back to you as soon as we get this from the sun, next half an hour. We get this out of the sun, and we get it in the pudding pan and get it in the kitchen again. Continue the procedure. Yeah? To the finish, and we get to roll out the Bammy pan, you make it normal. Okay? So this is it. Out in the sun, getting some sunlight. So let's see what's happening on your neck of the woods. Alright? Patbatam. Okay guys, welcome back to the kitchen. This is the part now where we already rotate this, so we're going to take up back our stuff from the sunlight, put it back in the container. Yeah, see it, trashy, very nice. Okay, and we're going to start the next part process. Yeah, we're going to do the next process of the Bammy. Okay, what I'm going to do, we're going to make our plain. We make at Patbatam, we make it plain like regular Bammy. Okay, and on the coconut, naturally you put coconut flakes. Coconut flakes good inside. Okay, we're not going to put a quarter coconut flakes in this one. Okay, you're going to be feeding some people. You don't know who's allergic to nuts or who's allergic to coconut or whatever it is. So you try and make it basic and simple. The personal thing, you put it, and you can put whatever flavor you like. Yeah, we have two types of cassava that I know about. We call it the bitter cassava, and we have the sweet cassava. This is the sweet cassava. The bitter cassava will go through much more vigorous to get rid of the starch. Because that's the poison. They say it's poison, but you have a way you do it anyway to get out the majority of the starch. This one, we can work with some of the starch. So stay tuned, guys. Okay, here we go, guys. Now we're in the process of making some Bammy here. Here we go. We got the Bammy ring. We've got the Bammy ring right here. So what we normally do, we put the oil around the Bammy ring, okay? We're going to put the oil around the Bammy ring, okay? After we polish the Bammy ring around with the oil, put a little bit in the pan, yes? And we place the Bammy ring down, okay? We're going to do two Bammy at a time, okay? So this is the oil we have here, vegetable oil, corn oil, whatever oil it is, around the Bammy ring. Okay? Okay, so what we're going to do then, we're going to place the Bammy down in the pan. We're going to get the cassava inside this thing, like that. Okay? This is what it's like. Okay? Make it just like our grandmother tells you to make it. So what you do now with this now is press it down. Okay? Put it in, you press it down. Okay, put it in, you press it down. All depends on what size you want, or the thickness of your Bammy, or you like your thickness of your Bammy. If you want it thin, you can always do it thin. Okay? If you like it thick, you can always do it thick. Alright? So this Bammy is about a quarter inch thick. Quarter of an inch thick. Okay? So here you go. That's what it's like. Yes? You rotate the Bammy. Look at that. Rotate the Bammy. Yep. Rotate it around. Bring it round. No catch. No him safe. See him? No him safe. Right? Like that. Okay. Based on what I'm seeing here, you can discard the ring right here. Yeah? It will fall out of the ring. Look at that. Amazing. Amazing Bammy, guys. See? Just keep at the ring to keep it together at the first instant. Yeah. There you go. That's your bammy ready to go. Okay, as we say, you can put coconut flakes. Very nice. Put coconut flakes, dry coconut flakes. You can dry your coconut flakes and add your special ingredients, special flavor, cinnamon. Yeah, you can do it sweet if you want. Yeah, you can make a savory. Yeah. Guys, have no fear. Bammy. Bammy is here, right here. You got your bammy ready to go. Okay, we're gonna put it in there. There you go. The bammy is ready. Okay. Right. Flaxseed. I'm gonna make a couple with flaxseed. I'm gonna make a couple with sugar. Everybody wants to know what they want to get. Which fast food restaurant we can go today? What fast food restaurant we can go today to get some food? Nobody now worry about this. Yeah? Nobody worry about this one. Nobody. Yeah, but you know, here comes the time when you hear a certain call. Yes. Don't forget about bread. Forget about the supermarket. The supermarket can't do nothing for me and you right now if you don't have your money. And big money too. If you have big money for that supermarket these days. As we say. Patbatam kitchen. Tell the people them what I want. Show them what I want. Eat some bammy sometime and I pay flour me I eat, you know. So now people will be careful, you know. When I put flour down the bammy to get it together. Yes? Come and buy the cassava and farm the cassava. And when you do the cassava, now draw the cassava. You don't need to draw the cassava. Okay. Guys, flour gone up. Remember, I'm telling you, flour gone sky high. Everything gone up. We have to start improvise, use what we have. Yes? We have to start use what we have, what we know about. Yeah? We got to get back to our roots. This is what's good for you. Flaxseed, omega-3, a lot of omega-3 in this. And this is organic stuff, huh? Yeah? This is good. Good flaxseed right here. Okay, this is now the flaxseed. A little bit dry, so we gotta add a little more moist one, not the normal one, okay? So here we go, get them together, we're good to go. We're gonna put a spoon of the brown sugar, yeah? Brown sugar in this one. Yeah. Take a spoon and a half of brown sugar inside of it. Yeah. This is gonna be a different look. A different look, different flavor, different taste. Okay? Of the bammy. Okay? So we're going to drop this flaxseed. This flaxseed one, we're going to check it out. See what's the result we're going to get out of flaxseed. These are flaxseed bammies, okay? Stepping up the health part. I don't like when the bammy is thin. Trying to do that, but I don't like when the bammy is thin. I like when the bammy is thick. You can fry it, you can steam it, it doesn't break away whenever you're steaming it. Yeah, whenever you fry it, it doesn't break away. So it's good to have it thick. Okay, up and running. This is the regular bammy we have here. So we make the thinner ones. I don't like the thinner ones, I would say. I like these. This is what I know about. Yeah, these are thick. Yeah. So these things are going to cool down on the temperature, and then you stuck them in your refrigerator. Not too long. Brown, here we go. Still have it. Yeah, I forgot that the sugar. Yeah, the sugar going to give it a faster coating. Yes. Next one to take out, make sure I keep focus on that. You got to keep focus on what's happening. Yes. Finishing product. We don't need it burned. Okay. So a little bit. Yeah, but you know, focus on the sugar that I put inside that one. So I put sugar in that one. It's very unique. Yep. See there? Flaxseed. Yeah. Yep, see there? Flaxseed. Flaxseed. Want to identify it? This is what you're going to identify it. Turn it back. I can tell you, when I first decided to do Bammy, I'm going to do Bammy, I realized, oh, I can make some Bammy, but guess what happened? We don't have no ring in the boss, man. We don't have no Bammy ring. I'm like, what? No Bammy ring. So, what I've done, I get the file paper, I go by the store, I buy a file paper, and I make rings from the file paper. Yeah, and I make rings from the file paper. And what I'm going to use, we have like that size and whatever, make it from the file paper. And it was a blast. Okay, so there we have it, and inside Patbatam Kitchen, guys. If you want to feel it, you just got to touch that button and let us know what's happening. This is what we do at Patbatam Kitchen. This is your Bammy. Yes, guys, this is how we do it. Yeah, take at least 3 hours, 4 hours. And you got to be committed to what you're doing. You know you have bread for the rest of the month. There you go, 4 hours, you got bread for the rest of the month. Okay? You got bread for breakfast for your friends, function, fish and Bammy, Bammy and curry, Bammy and dal. Yes, and you know we have that. These are the one that is a little ground because you know why? These are sugar inside. This one sugar, a little sugar, and some flaxseed. Breaking us, you know? This is the Bammy, straight. It's worth it. This is Bammy, guys. It's worth it, trust me. Yeah, of all the process that we've been through, and you see it right here at Patbatam Kitchen, we have the Bammy. None go wrong, none mislead you. Straight as you see it, so you have it, okay? So good talking with you, good having you in our kitchen today. It was a pleasure. We have a lot of fun. Well, me have fun. Yeah, I enjoy what I do, just to bring out the good Jamaican food over there to you guys. And Bammy, there we go. You ain't got to fry this one, just put it in the microwave. See, it's golden brown already. Put it in the microwave and you're good. Good to go. Blessing. Out there. Let's talk. Alright? And I said, if you want to feel it, you got to touch it. Touch that button. Touch the dial. Patbatam Kitchen will be by your doorstep in a minute, okay? You take care of yourself. You be good. You be safe. Cheers. Peace. Out. Patbatam.
Big up Patbatam.